In this video, I show you how to fix WhatsApp. Please wait a moment. App maintenance in progress problem. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search WhatsApp, update your WhatsApp if available any update version. Then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp, click on force stop, click on OK. Now click on storage and cache, clear cache. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open WhatsApp. Now I hope that this method fix. Please wait a moment. App maintenance in progress problem on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.